Hello mga kapangarap, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Nandito po kami ngayon, celebrate natin ng birthday po ni... Birthday nino? Whose birthday today?
It's Owa.
Owa Harold. Actually, nagluto po sila magkapatid. Okay, tingnan natin po ano niluluto ni Harold at ni Ate Pipay. Let's see, beba. Come on. Surprise! Baked sushi. Wow, mga kapangarap niya nyo, oh. Nagluto ang aking mga anak ng baked sushi. Tapos ano to, nak? Sinigang na? Wow, shrimp and fish. Nasaan ang... Oh, anong fish to? Oh, wow. Masarap to. Ayan po mga niluto po para sa birthday ni Harold. So, ano pa niluto nyo? Yung sushi na to, okay na ba to, nak? Alam mga kapangarap, eto, sabay-sabay po kami kakain ng family ko. Si Baktol. Diba? Si Mami, yan. And, ayun po. Wala rin akong rice po. Hindi tayo kakain ng rice. Meron lang tayo ditong banana. Then, magkasabaw tayo. Yun na po ang aking kakainin. Okay? Pang 6 days ko na po ito na walang rice. Mga kapangarap. Hindi ka natin na walang rice po. Okay? Sasabaw lang tayo. Bebe, huwag ka nang maingay. Sagit lang. Sagit lang. Ayan. Kaya na po tayo makapangarap ng soup. Tsaka yung fish. Tapos kaya na tayo maraming gulay. Tsaka hipon. Ano, may hipon pa tayo. Yung buhay pa rin yung ating... Tawag dito, anong hipon to, may? Yung may laki. Subpo. Tapos yung sili natin. Ito muna yung sili. Yung sili. Sabaw. Sarap na sinigang, ha? Yung tinto na sinigang nyo.
What if yeah?
What is it?
Good job, ha?
My sinigang is usually salty.
Italian to mga anak magluto, eh. Mana-mana sa akin. Tumawa sila. Okay, I know how to cook then.
Yeah.
But not the same as your mama. Masarap magluto.
Yeah. No, they don't. My friend Abby, she bought me a present from Sephora, and I'm like, she hasn't given it to me yet, but I'm like, you don't have to do that.
Ang sili, masarap po.
Gulat ako eh, sinabi niya. I was like,
Oh, it's birthday po ni Harold niya yung araw na to. Pero, kaya namin ngayon, bukas kami mag-celebrate. Pero, binati na namin si Harold po. Kaya, mga kapangarap, batiin niyo po ng happy birthday ng si Harold. His 15th birthday po.
yeah. I didn't eat anything the whole day.
Harold, ano wish mo sa birthday mo?
I wish we don't get ghosted.
What do you mean?
Ghosted, like when you when someone just randomly ignores you. I wish that we don't get ghosted by the company.
Of course not.
Baka nag-ano pa lang. Siyempre, hinahanapan pa yan nila. Pero okay lang din na mag-emerge siya. Magano?
That's what my friend Stevie did. He was at the showcase with me. He didn't get any agents. He emailed 2 agencies and he got 6 callbacks.
Oh, they emailed them. Ask them the email of the... Wala kasi tayong copy ng email nila.
And
Baka
my
they lose the
friend-
paper, di ba?
And my friend Zabriel, she's with Mannequin na. Which is nice.
What's that?
Zabriel, she's my friend in Australia. She's Pinoy though.
Yung...
Yung Filipino. The girl?
Itibo?
No, the girl. The one with her mom. Zabriel.
Yeah. Di ba na binabid Beautiful Boy?
But you didn't hear? You went to the
Oh, I
washroom.
recorded that.
Oh yeah, you did. You didn't hear her commercial line.
Yeah, commercial din na kaya. Bella, don't play your food. That's not right.
I love to. I don't like the bubble.
That's not good, bebe.
You're so bad.
Ba?
I'll just
Ulam-ulam lang po tayo. Nakapangarap. Sabaw-sabaw lang tayo. Tsaka gulay.
Why you put the money? Ma, why you put lemon ipits there?
Yeah.
Kaya ito buhay.
Hindi na kanina na daw yung tampo. Wala, what is that?
What is tampo? I don't know what tampo means. I don't know in English.
No.
English is funny. English is funny. English is funny.
Spanish? Spanish? Ano yung Spanish?
English is funny.
Tapos sabayan sa saging mga kapangarap. Okay na yan. Tapos matutulog naman kami. Anong oras na po? 10 PM na.
Ano yan?
So, nung kumain ng kanin. Ano lang, konting-konti lang na ulam mo kanin. Tsaka kumain din ako sa opisina kanina ng ano, salad. Hindi salad yun, salad. Not rice.
Salad rice?
No, not rice, it's salad. Next week tayo in charge, may.
He said salad.
Ano?
Hindi ko na kung luto natin.
There's pasalamat po.
Ha?
Pasalamat po. There's pasalamat. Thanksgiving pala.
Mm.
Oh, what you just said
Okay.
salad
Oh!
rice. Oh, what you just said salad rice.
Salamat mga kapangarap. Yan, pang 6 days ko na po ito na walang kanin. Nakakatiis tayo. Okay, konti yan lang. Liblin ang chat ko. Babay na mga kapangarap.
No.
Babay mga kapangarap.
No.